Welcome to our newest listing, 302 C Street, right here in the heart of Saint Augustine Beach in everyone's favorite neighborhood, Coquina Gables. Just 3 blocks to the beach. This 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is yours for the taking. Corner lot, great outdoor space, beautiful upgrades throughout. You're gonna love this floor plan and you're gonna love this home just as much as you love the lifestyle that comes with it. Let's go check out 302 C Street. Now that you've seen the home, you've seen the lifestyle that comes with this place, all you gotta do now is pick up the phone and book your very own private tour with the Newcomer Group today for 302 C Street.